Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your VU Android TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi network so devices can discover each other. Once done, open the Google Home app or a casting-capable app and look for the cast icon. This initiates discovery. If you have a physical Chromecast, plug it into HDMI and select that HDMI input. If the TV has built-in Chromecast, go to Settings to enable it. These steps let your sending device see the TV immediately. Next, tap the cast icon on your phone or in the app and select your VU Android TV from the device list. This connects the sender to the receiver. Choose either app content to stream directly or start screen cast to mirror everything. App casting usually gives better performance. Make sure to control volume either on the TV remote or from the sending device, and use the app's playback controls to play, pause, seek, or stop. This keeps the stream synced and avoids buffering. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose disconnect or stop casting so the TV returns to its previous input. This cleanly releases the stream. If you can't connect, reboot the VU TV, your router, and the sending device in that order, because a simple restart often fixes discovery and IP conflicts. Make sure Google Play services and the Google Home app are up to date. If issues persist, try switching Wi-Fi bands between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.